How to create a browser homepage. Part 1, create your homepage plan and add your Internet Explorer favorites. You are watching a Tom's Tech Notes video. Videos that are in playlists should be watched in the order given in the playlist on the channel page. There are several hundred computer help and hobby videos on my YouTube channel. Here's how to visit the channel. The best way is to Google search for TOMSTDA, but you must search with Google. Some of the searches will look for Tostada. Or you can type the URL into your browser's address box. If you like my videos and would like to be notified when I make additions or corrections to them, you can subscribe to my channel. Click the red subscribe button on the window, select email notifications. The term favorite in this tutorial means a shortcut that points to a web page or points to a copy of a web page that you've stored on your computer. In order to create your home page, you should first make a detailed plan for it. A good plan will make it much easier to create your home page. Draw a sketch or use Notepad to lay it out like shown here. You can pause this tutorial and use this display as a guideline, or you can print a screen snapshot of this window and mark it up. The first thing you want to do is decide which categories you want displayed on your home page. News is a category, my websites, banking and investing, and so forth. You should list them in order of the most frequently used category first. Next, decide which websites or favorites you want to put in each of those categories. And in the news category, I have CNN, the Dow Jones, the New York Times, and so forth. My websites, I have some stuff I'm working on. I have my Gmail favorite. Put those in order, the most frequently used first. The Internet Explorer browser always exports favorites folders and favorites alphabetically, regardless of the order they are located in the favorites list. To list them in the order shown on your plan, like this plan for instance, mark the categories from first to last with a letter. Mark this with the letter A, B, C, and so forth. Also mark the favorites in each category, A, B, C, and so forth. Repeat starting at A, B, C, and so forth. We'll see later how we use those to output them in the order we want. Before you start actually creating your home page, it'll go much easier if you save all the favorites that you have on your plan before you start to build the home page. I'll add a couple of favorites to show you how that's done. You will need to add all the favorites from your home page plan before you start to create the home page. To add a favorite, you open it up, and I'll open it in a tab. Open up the web page. I'll open CNN. So open each web page that you want to create a favorite for.
Then either press Ctrl D or click the star on the right near the top of the window.
We want to type CNN, but we also want to type the letter that appeared on our homepage plan, which was A. Remember, CNN is the first favorite in the first category. So we're going to start it with an A, then we're going to add 3 letter Z's, then we're going to type the shortcut name for that favorite.
If the name contains any spaces, replace those with underscores. Otherwise, there will be some word wrap errors when you display your home page and you change the width of the screen or the size of the text.
And then we're going to add it to the favorites list. Now, I already have it in there, and I don't want to overwrite it, so I'll cancel that. You won't have it in there, so you won't have that message. So if it is already there, just leave it and use it. So I'm added it to the website. I'll go ahead and I'll open one more, Snopes, which is one of my miscellaneous favorites. Snopes, press Ctrl D, bring up the screen. Now Snopes was, I believe, the letter I marked on the home
homepage plan. So it's an I, then the 3 Z's, then Snopes. And I'll add that. And again, I already added it to the favorites menu before I started this part of the video, so I don't want to overwrite it. You would not have done that. You won't get this message. It'll just add it with no message, and then this screen will go away. I'm going to cancel because it's already there. I don't need to add it again. Again, you open your web page to the page you want to put a favorite for in your favorites list. You press Control D, you fill in the shortcut name, and put that letter from the plan in front of it so it will show in the order you want. Don't change the destination folder. All new folders and favorites added to the favorites list will appear at the bottom of the list. They'll all be close together and easy to find. Once you've added all your favorites to your favorites list, you're ready to create and organize your home page folder.
Once again, here's how to visit my channel and how to subscribe to my channel. You may need to pause this video to copy this information down.
That's the end of part 1 of the series. Thanks for watching.